Hi guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. In this video we're going to talk about Binance exchange. Lots of you recommended this exchange, so I decided to sign up, give it a try, check it out. And I gotta tell you, what I'm seeing, it is truly incredible. I've been using Kraken. If you follow my channel, you know I'm trying to do trades, I'm trying to earn a little bit of money, but I've been trading mainly top cryptocurrency. Kraken does not support lots of altcoins, and I'm trying to move across to altcoins, as well as of lately Kraken and pretty much most of the top cryptocurrency exchanges are lagging. It takes a while just to access your account, it takes a while to do anything inside your account. I've seen this with Bitfinex, with Coinbase, with Kraken, and of course people are looking for something else. And at the moment the answer seems to be Binance. Lots of people are actually involved with Binance. I didn't know that actually so many people are already trading on Binance, but hey, it is working, at least for now, pretty smooth. Deposits, I'm gonna start with the deposits. I did yesterday a BTC deposit and then I took out. It was extremely fast. Now let me go into my account and I'll show you. So for instance, if we go to deposit and withdrawals, as you can see currently, it shows here how much is my BTC estimate value. At the moment I don't have pretty much anything because, again, as I said, I've deposited and took out. I have only 97.68 Verge inside the account at the moment. So with Kraken, when I send BTC over, it takes a while to show up, first of all, in the history, and then once it shows up in the history on the Kraken, the deposit history, it takes a while to clear up. On Binance, I'm not exaggerating, I think it took about 10 to 15 minutes to show up, and as soon as it showed up I actually felt like, okay, it's not too bad, that's quite quick. Now I thought I'm gonna have to wait, let's say, for another half an hour, whatever, to clear up for me to use. No, it was ready for me to use immediately. As soon as it showed up in here, it was ready for me to use, and that was mind-blowing how fast it is. Now I don't know how are they able to achieve this. Is it because they don't have such a large traffic at the moment, such as comparing to other main cryptocurrencies, or I don't know, I truly don't know, but it's incredible, working very fast. As well, if you're looking for altcoins trading like myself, as I said, I'm trying to move on from the main cryptocurrency. There is money to be made with the top cryptocurrency, but as you can see, the prices just fluctuate so much. Now I hear people talk about technical analysis and all that rubbish. To me, the reason I say rubbish, it is simply because no one is predicting what's currently happening to the market. It is crazy. I mean, the prices just, like in a flash, they go from, let's say, 18,000 to 20,000 or to 19,000, and it drops down to 18. I mean, look at Ethereum, up to about 870. Bitcoin Cash, it was like 1,600, then it popped up to 2,400. I don't think you can look any charts in that you can predict these things with all these all high, low, low, high, and all these things I see people talk about. They don't even know what they're talking about. Making money in here is about being lucky, and obviously the main thing, to be honest with you, is choosing a cryptocurrency that one, you believe in the technology behind the cryptocurrency, two, that even if you don't believe in the technology, there is possibly a huge backing up behind it, and then possibly you can make money. But talking about technical analysis and all these things, I don't follow charts and stuff like this, because I don't think it could show you for instance what happened to Ripple. Now you tell me which technical analysis did show you that from 0.25 it will jump to 0.85 almost within 2 days or whatever. I mean, yes, after the fact it's easy to talk about it, but why there was not that technical analysis before that? There is when it comes to cryptocurrency at the moment, it's all about speculating. It's a speculative market. Lots of people getting in, trying to make money, pushing the price up. News are coming out, pushing the price up and whatnot, and that is the main thing in here. But moving on, we also, for instance, the latest one was Ripple. What happened with Ripple? It just came out of nowhere. Ripple has been out for years now, I think since 2012, but it stayed flat this year to about 0.25 cents, and then suddenly out of nowhere, yes, news came out, but we can't know about this news until they come out. News came out, Ripple just jumped over the fence. It went all the way to 0.85. Now, as you can see, even in the last 24 hours, came back, because after the 0.85, it dipped down to 0.63. And I did a trade on Ripple, a trade which I've made a little bit of money, but I'm going to talk about it in another video. But I gotta tell you, it was a stressful trade. As soon as I saw the price going down, I felt like, okay, pump in here, gonna lose a little bit of money, but I hold on to it. But let's talk about this in another video. So I missed the main boat when it comes to Ripple. I didn't buy when it was very cheap. Let's say Cardano. Now Cardano is pumping up. Let's find it where it is. It has dropped slightly to 13th place on the Worldcoin index, but it's still worth quite a lot of money. Lots of new cryptocurrency are coming out, popping. Stellar, another one. Verge, as you've just seen, I have a little bit. Stratus, and so on and so on. There's so many. And if we go back right here, you can see the list is huge. Any altcoin that you ask for, Binance pretty much has it. You know, if they don't have it, maybe it's not worth looking into, or maybe, you know, they will soon have it. But they have so many. One advice I can give you, if you are a newbie, you know, obviously if you're an old trader or somebody who's been investing for years, I'm not going to give you advices you know already. But if you're new, remember the fact that you have so many cryptocurrency in here does not mean that every one of them is going to make it, or is going to make it big, or they may all make it, but it may take a while. Such as Ripple was a great example. Out since 2012, it jumped up pretty much in the last few days of 2017. It may take a while for certain cryptocurrency to pump up, and that's what I'm looking for. I want to catch the next Ripple. I want to pretty much duplicate what people did with Ripple, with Ethereum, with Bitcoin Cash and whatnot. I mean, Bitcoin Cash was free, so not really, but you know what I'm talking about. So I'm looking for the next big one. I'm gonna make a list in another video again of which cryptocurrency I'm thinking of investing. Also, investing into the top cryptocurrency, you can still make money. I still believe Ripple will be big come 2018, just like many other cryptocurrency. But Verge is one that I am definitely interested into, and not just because of FOMO. Currently, lots of people are saying Verge pumped up because the McAfee guy said something about the Verge, that he's using it or that he's buying. I don't remember exactly his Twitter. But yes, Verge has pumped it. But Verge is like Monero. It is a private cryptocurrency. It can't be traced. So therefore, I do think it has a great future. Now, how long is going to take, for instance, from 0.05 cents to go to 0.50? I don't know. To $1? I don't know. I wish if I knew. If I knew it, I'll be very rich by now. But it's definitely something I'm looking forward to it. So, real quickly, once again, huge list of cryptocurrencies that they have, especially old coins, new ones coming up. Very fast depositing into Binance, very fast withdrawing out. Now let's quickly look at the exchange so I can show it to you as well. I'm going to show you just the basic exchange. I'm not going to go into details. Don't want to make the video too long. So if I had BTC, for instance, and I want to buy some Verge, I put XVG with BTC. And then I go down here, as you can see, go limit, market stop limit, and currently they have a discount. The fee, it is from 0.10% to 0.05. Here you have the price. You can change this, by the way. It doesn't have to be the same price that you are displayed, and you put the amount. At the moment it says 0 because I don't have any BTC, but for instance I put 10,000, shows me the amount I'm gonna have to spend in BTC in the current price. Click buy. As soon as I click buy, the order will show up here. Now if it fills up in percentage, it will show you the percentage that gets filled up, and then as soon as it filled up, it will complete the order. And then everything, once it's completed, you go to deposit and withdrawals, you can see the amount you have. Again, as I said, you can change the price to anything you want. And as you can see at the moment, Verge is moving up crazy. In fact, a moment ago I was seeing orders of 2 million Verge and above. I mean, even now I'm seeing here 1 million, 1.5 million, 420,000, 300. So people possibly trading with Verge already, making lots of money, especially if you bought when Verge was pretty much worth nothing. People made money. So this is what we're going for it, and let's hope we are able to do it. Moving on from the exchange, again, as I said, pretty straightforward. Now let's go back right here because I didn't show you something. So for instance, you want to deposit let's say Ethereum. You want to deposit, all you do is you click deposit. It shows you the address, copy the address, send your obviously Ethereum over. So as you can see, it even tells you coins will be deposited immediately after 13 network confirmation. It is very quick. Test it, try it, you'd see it. It is extremely quick. So we've covered the how long it takes to deposit, which is very fast. We covered the fact that they have lots of cryptocurrency, altcoins, and the top cryptocurrency. We've covered the basic how to buy, and same thing with sell. By the way, I didn't tell you, but it is the same thing. You know, you want to sell, you go the other side, you click on sell, choose the price you want to sell, choose the amount, and you sell. You also can choose 25, 50, 75, or 100%. Moving on, another real quick thing I wanted to talk to you about is the fact that Binance has the referral program, and I want to tell you about this because it's useful. If you want to use it, if you want to sign up to Binance, I'll put my link down below. Feel free to do so. But the way the Binance referral program works is, you know, we don't make money by someone signing up under us, but we make money if someone trades. So for instance, now I've signed up under someone. By me signing up, this person doesn't make any money. By me depositing bitcoins, I could deposit hundreds of millions of US dollars or worth of BTC, for instance, which I don't have. I wish I did. This person's not going to make any money. The only way, you know, the person makes some money from the referral program is if I do trades, and I think that's fair thing. You know, you do trades, the person that you sign under make a little bit of profit, the same thing as you. Someone signs up under you, they do a little bit of trading. They don't have to do it, but if they want to do a little bit of trading, you get a little bit of commission. And that's how the referral program works. Pretty straightforward, nothing complicated, and I think it's nice. It pays to have friends. I'd say why not. That's it from me, guys. I think I've covered most of the things. As you can see, I'm following live the price on Kraken, and it's going down big time. I gotta tell you that it is going down big time. It's pushing the rest of the cryptocurrency, but it may pull the rest of the cryptocurrency with it as well. But wow, from almost 20,000 down to 70,000 expected. It was just like some people said, it felt like it was a pump. That's how it felt like, a little bit of a pump. I'm not saying it's a pump and dump Bitcoin, obviously. I'm just saying lots of money got invested into. Now the futures are in. People are betting on the fact that Bitcoin has to fall in price in order for them to make money. They're shorting Bitcoin, and I was expecting to see this. Well, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the channel, feel free to subscribe and share. Again, as I said, if you want to give it a try to Binance, sign up, feel free to use the link down below. Give it a try first. One final advice, sorry. Remember, unless you are doing something in the exchange, my advice will be, and I'm talking any exchange, do not keep your cryptocurrency into that exchange. If you're going to be trading, then you have no option. Keep it on the exchange. If you obviously want to sell some cryptocurrency, place a sale order for a higher amount than what it's currently trading for, then obviously you have to have it on there. But if you're going to be holding long term, my advice will be always place your cryptocurrency on your own wallet. Would that be a desktop wallet, paper wallet, hardware wallet, that you control the private key, nobody else. And that's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.